North Hangkhor by Khobjak Damcherra Higher Secondary Ringnok Belai Keno Wana Masingsa Tai Kirima Singsangjak O Ringnok Jefru Fano by Klaimano Aro Tongo 700 Ringsringa Hini Koktoma Obohai Hini Kanaoi Tangi Soika North Hangkhorni YTF President Khukon Tripura Bini Logi Tongo Ringsringnai Rongni Guardians Tai NGOs Rogbo Tamosaka Knanyadi Horang Life ni Mangplio.
Thank you so much to our media person. Actually, media person Hambai. Tini chung bo Damcherra high HS class 2STAGE school chung phami. Ro phaya noha chini bo school. Ni condition khub hamia. Anytime bo building collapse mayo ro je chini bro Damcherra elaka ni Longkai ni elaka ni chhatro ra dongna brane jibon bo risk bo student ni loge ro ni staff je employee teacher brownie bo bangma problem to nongke bo building collapse thangke ro tawa chung nomo du almost 700 student to porabni go rone life bo at risk song to so ro tawa nomi ke TSR robo tompio jodi bo building jodi accident le collapse thangke suk chini bro chini Longkai ni bodnam chini Longkai ni bangma chhatro rone bobishot nostong thale amri no chung phai nai pe ain loge ro student ni guardian robo tongo jang chini political level ni bro raw chini block president to region president to student ni guardian to chini YTF ni warrior to ba bo elaka ni NGO club ba ma chung ekotrito ngie bo Damcherra chini school chung phai na ha visit kya kintu bo school ni condition khub hamia bolte ma bo already sanction chang pa kintu bo student raw bo building no jodi spy jodi tal buildings run almost 1-2 year now. Okay, above 1-2 year run is a 700 student. Book to jaga thang pore na. Both dimakuna action plan kure, both dimakuna plan kure mase. Tender pass kyo. Kiba chuno chini je student raw ne bobishon no na ya kar jadi sudu browni sak benefit ni bageno kam ke to angroni je 58 Vidhan Sabha ni MLA brown bang request kana boni condition na idi nya ke biskango chini tor bo student raw no tu ye chon lama blow up kera bang problem kera je chung bo jodi immediate solution kiya ke er modhe chini SDM chini GM and those authorities those who is looking after the school condition I would like to request please kindly look into in this matter otherwise our student organization our guardian all the political leaders NGO unitedly will do the strong step which might be affect something else. So we don't want to do all those things. So before this building collapse, please try to construct a new school. And for them, for timing, they have a temporary school. Also, 700 students are there in this school. So, bono tuye narao bo video je nai tonai na chom biskango now student na ne guardian ro tawana de chom kya strongly kya step na to na biskango chom hange chung DM by SDM by video by education department ni IS robe chung kausale boni immediate chung solution kena banda chung sathe to hambai